And this is a Fronx 1.0 liter turbo engine Zeta model. So this is the look from the front side. LED lights, Fronx Zeta model. So you will find here style is different of Zeta model. Let us see from the inside. So in the inside you are getting push start button, engine start and stop. On steering you have controls, and one more thing is the paddle shift. So you are getting paddle shift also, and this is the automatic. So automatic transmission, and this is the screen. So it looks good. Zeta model 1.2 liter Fronx, and 4 doors power windows. Let us see from the back side how it is. Let's close from here. Keyless entry is there. Keyless entry. Oh, so AC vent also there from back side. This Zeta, and this is the look. So look is amazing, and good space. Leg room is very good for this car. And tire size for this car is let us see the tire size, which is R18, R16 is the tire size. And this is the back look. So in the back look you are getting camera, defogger, and wiper, rear wiper, and sensor. So everything is there. And this is the look for the rim. This is we discussed already. So seat is also nice color. Airbags are there. So you are getting airbags, paddle shift, and automatic gear shift for Fronx. Zeta model. Thank you so much for watching. And let us see the specification also. 1.2 liter Zeta model has 147 torque, my god, and 6 gear is there. So overall length of the car is 3995, width is 1765 mm, and overall height is 1550, and wheelbase is 2526. So overall, if you see 1000 cc engine with the turbo booster jet, it is amazing combination. So this is the car, and thank you so much one more time. Thank you.